everyone! Today we have challenge number 8. It's about photography and some effects for our photographs. It is really cool and amazing. Look, we click on an internet web search like Google and we write face in a hole. Face in a hole because we are going to add our face to a character. Look, we click it. Wow, what is this? And we are going to create something related to film and TV because we are learning about this. So, look. There are a lot of important characters here. Look, we have a huge amount of characters. Imagine for one film, a very famous film, Superman. I can take it, yeah? I choose it. It's Superman. Can you read here? What do I have to do? I have to upload one of my photos. For example, I will look some photos in my computer. For example, this one is very clear. Oh, this is me, look at me. And I can do it bigger. To adapt, I can rotate, look. I can rotate it. Yeah. To do it better, yeah, I think it's better. I can do it bigger to adapt my face completely in that hole. Do you understand? Look, I can change it, yeah? I can make the zoom or I can take it from here, brightness. I can do it, yeah? You can change a little bit the color, the contrasts, saturation, and hue. It's okay. I think this is okay now. Yeah, I'm a Superman and I'm happy with the result. I finished. Look, this is me, wow! Now I can save in my computer, I can print the photo, I can share with my friends in Facebook or Twitter, or also I can embed in a blog. Now what do I want to do? I want to save it, yeah. Wow, it's here. I save my photo here, look, in my computer, and I go to my mail to send to a friend, for example. I can send, for example, to the teacher, I can send to the teacher, that's me, yeah. I can send, I write here, I am challenge, for example, challenge 8. I add my photo and I write, hello teacher, I am Maite, with capital letter, I am Maite, I am Superman. Okay? I am Superman. And you send it, for example. And that's all. And that's all.